Hello, kumusta? This is your Simply Builder and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, mag-unbox naman tayo ng isang CCTV camera. This is delivered by Ninja Van. And as you can see, ito yung balot niya. May nakalagay na fragile. And it seems it is handled with care. I don't know. I'm not sure if it is good inside, so unbox na natin dahil excited na ako. Medyo pangit yung naranasan ko dito dahil mu-order ako ng Alpha CCTV camera at saka yung Chinglong CCTV camera, and only to find out the warehouse is, or the supplier is the same but the seller is different. So ang nangyari doon is dinala nila ako ng mga sirang CCTV, though yung mga nakaraan kong dalawang CCTV camera na galing sa Alpha is maganda naman, brand new, but only that time na dinala ako ng mga return din na item at pinadala din sa akin. So this is the box. The box is medyo crumpled na. So tingnan natin sa loob. And this item is chinek ng seller bago sinend sa akin. And pinakita pa sa akin kung gaano ka good condition ang product. So this is the solar panel. The solar panel is bigger than Alpha CCTV, and the bracket, and so this is the unit. So this is 3 times bigger than the Alpha CCTV. Halatang it is in brand new, in good condition. So I don't know what's in here, so hindi ko muna gagalawin ito. And the tools and the screws and nothing else inside. So in this part medyo nasira na yung cushion niya dahil gawa sa plastic. So kung may nagtanong kung gaano ito kahaba yung cable, so let's see, so mga 1.5 meter lang yung taas niya. Then ito ay naka USB na rin. And so saan kaya natin ilagay ito? So dito yung lagayan ng SIM card or memory card. So walang kasamang manual. So dapat may manual sana. So dito nakalagay, o dito ilagay yung ano niya, solar, and it is in USB-C type C. So I don't know if it has power on it. So walang power. So testing natin kung mag-on ba siya. Medyo mainit ngayon dahil parating na yung ulan. And I don't know if it will fit in here. So hindi pasok pag mayroong gasket. Okay. And on.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
So this is it. Charge muna natin. Magda-download muna ako ng isang app for this one. So this is the QR code for the Play Store or app application. It is V380 Pro. So scan lang natin yung QR code. Only this time. Open browser URL. Okay. Install. Masyadong mabigat ito dahil naka 120 MB and still downloading. We are now in 35%, 40, 44, 47, 50, 58, 60, 63, 67, 72, 76, 80, 7, 90, 95, then 99, 100. Uninstalling. So virus scanning, and it seems it is okay. Open tayo. I have read. It started. So you have to log in pa. In this portion of the video is medyo nag-cut na ako dito dahil pahirapan yung pag-register ng application mo dahil need talaga siya ng email ad, then ang pag-reply for verification once na send mo na ang email ad is medyo mabagal at delayed. Then next, so kuha lang tayo ng ibang cellphone. Okay, this is V380 Pro 71 96 98 71 96 98 yung verification code. Enter. Okay, password. The password is invalid. Lowercase letters and number. Sa madaling salita, hindi naging successful yung pag-registered ko dito. And then may isa pang option is ang pag-download ng WeChat application. Okay, try natin i-log in sa WeChat dahil nagagawa na ako ng WeChat. So ganun din sa WeChat, medyo matagal ang pag-send back ng verification code at I've been waiting ng ilang oras, resend, send, resend, send until it was successful. Gumawa na ako ng WeChat. Hindi tayo pwede maka-login dahil wala akong account. So medyo din pahirapan ang pag-bind ng camera. So ilang beses akong paulit-ulit dito until it become successful.
Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Medyo matagal talaga ang pag-bind ng camera. Kaya kahanap ako ng ibang paraan. Dapat nasa ibaba yung camera and then nasa itaas yung cellphone para yung cellphone lang ang makita niyang liwanag, hindi yung liwanag ng surrounding.
Connection failed. Please try again. Received configuration information. Connecting. Network connected.
At last, naging successful na ang connection, and ang masasabi ko lang sa CCTV camera na ito, ang linaw ng kuha ng kanyang video, dual camera, and in this point of time, pinafamiliar ko pa yung mga dashboard nito, and ipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalinaw siya sa gabi. Hello. So hanggang dito na lang. This is your Simply Twiller. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo palaging update sa mga bagong videos ko na katulad nitong unboxing. Once again, bye bye.